Hi, this is Nano Mike with Nano Pro MT. Today we're going to run a little test on the coolant in my Toyota pickup truck here. My Toyota does not have NANO Cool in it yet, but we're going to test the coolant before and after I install the NANO Cool. We're going to do this because there's been some questions about using a refractometer and litmus paper testing the coolant and the quality of the coolant. So we're going to test it before, and then we're going to come back and we're going to show you the test after to make sure that the installation of the NANO Cool keeps and maintains the integrity of the coolant while enhancing the performance of the coolant, dropping the temperature. Thank you. Okay, here we are under the hood of the Toyota. I'm using the Caterpillar model RF40-C refractometer. I have the coolant extracted from my Toyota, and as you can see, it's red in color, so it's not been treated with the Nano Pro as of yet. We're going to put this in a refractometer, and we're going to sample it on the litmus paper, and then I will be back to show you those results. Thank you. Okay, so our refractometer told us that we have a 1.35 specific gravity, and we have coolant or freeze protection to -30 degrees. So now we're going to do the litmus test, and I'm going to dip the litmus paper into the coolant, and the blocks are going to change colors to tell us a little bit more about the coolant. So we have to let this sit for a little bit. I'll be back. Okay, so what I've done here is I have extracted with a suck gun, I've extracted the amount of coolant out of my radiator that I'm going to replace with the NANO Cool. And now we're going to install the NANO Cool directly into the radiator, not into the overflow, because it'll take longer to blend if we put it into the overflow tank. So I'm putting it directly into the radiator, and I can do this because number one, my engine was cool, so I could safely remove the pressure cap, and number two, because I withdrew the amount that I'm going to add out of the system. Okay. With the refractometer, we had it at the same reading, which was 1.35 specific gravity, and in the cooling, we were -30 degrees for freeze protection. The litmus test, the colors came out the same. I'll post pictures with the videos, so like us on Facebook, check us out on the web at www.nanopromt.com, and you can also give us a call at 1-877-NANOPRO. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, we're back at the Toyota. Today we're going to do our testing post addition of NANO Cool, and as you can see, the coolant is now turned black. We drove it for about 50 miles last night to get it blended really well. We're going to test it with the refractometer, and then we're also going to do the litmus test. I'll let you know what those results are.